Package initialization. When we create a package, we can create a function that will be accessed when our package is accessed. This is very suitable when, for example, if our package contains functions to communicate with the database, we create an initialization function to open a connection to the database. To create a function that is accessed automatically when the package is accessed, we simply create a function with the name init. We are creating a directory named package initialization and adding a file named basepackageInitialization.go within it. Within this file, we initialize a variable named connection with the value miscall and define an init function. Inside the init function, we assign the value miscall to the connection variable. Additionally, we create a function named getAtAC that returns the value of the connection variable. Moving on to the main Go file, we import the package initialization package and invoke the getAtBase function from this package. The result will be the value of the connection variable, which is miscall. This practice exemplifies the use of package initialization in Go. The init function within the package gets executed automatically when the package is imported. This is particularly useful for initializing package-level variables or setting up conditions that need to be satisfied before the package is used.